Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you are following us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're following us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up. Well, risk of thunderstorms and showers for the next 6 hours. I was trying to get out here a couple of minutes earlier. It's not supposed to start till 9 for another hour. But it looks like it could be sooner. Yeah. Well, I guess finally some rain is better than no rain at all. Not that it has been a typically rainy summer. These storms are coming in, so I didn't bother watering the garden in the backyard yesterday. Front box always needs water because it has that huge awning over top of it. Oh, it is so strange to look right through the squash box and not have the view impaired by the green growth anymore. Well, you know, the last time I changed my internet connections box that they send you, I ended up going through 3 boxes because they just would not connect to my computer. I've gone through another computer since then. That's our weird looking pepper from the pepper plant that only produced 3 peppers. I wish I hadn't thrown out that little tab they come with so I could know what kind of pepper that is. Yeah, so this company sends me new boxes, and because I'm changing company, so I get a new box, and of course it won't connect to this laptop. Nothing's ever easy. It's like if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. Our morning sunflower is doing well. Let's see how it does in this thunderstorm. And all our groovy red peppers. Now, a lot of squashes. Very nice. Now, I always go through and I'll cook the young ones first. I mean, these are going to be pretty green. They're not very tasty. You open them up, they're green. I don't even bother. Can't get any real good flavor out of them. And the spaghetti strings inside the squash won't be formed. Just be mush when you cook it. More flowers for the pollinators. So last night I go to water the front flower box, and there's a spigot that's hidden in behind all the morning glories. And yeah, so I guess there was a bumblebee in there. He made himself comfortable in my palm as I was going in there and turning on the spigot. And yeah, got stung in the palm of my hand. Poor little bugger. So I did some quick first aid, which was to grab some baking soda and just rub that right into my hand with a bit of water. And after about a couple of minutes, I couldn't feel the sting at all anymore. It's, you know, there was a swelling and there was a bit of discomfort, but, you know, not much pain. So that's many uses for baking soda. Oh, I think we're starting to get a little bit of rain. Knew I should have come out here a couple of minutes before. Well, our beans, I guess we'll be able to come out here and pick some again for supper tonight. Had a nice little batch yesterday. Fried that up with some carrots. Didn't pick them all, of course, because we like to leave some for the next day. That's a nice looking bean. Very nice. And probably have to dig up some potatoes, because the potatoes I dug up yesterday Again, from some of those green potatoes from the year before that I planted this spring. So I guess the experiment is done. You can grow potatoes, but you're not going to get a lot of potatoes, because I did not get a lot of potatoes from that potato plant. So I don't expect too many from those ones. But this one here with the fresh green shoots, that looks like a healthy potato to me. And our kale bush, doing quite well. So I was eating kale like crazy last year, and I've hardly touched it at all this year. I've only made crispy kale a couple of times. Well, as the growth continues, I picked a zucchini yesterday. Oh, it looks like I can grab another one today. And there's sneaky zucchinis everywhere. Gotta keep an eye out for them. Well, let's go in the front and go have a look at the other growth, the other sunflowers, our only pumpkin, and see how all that is making out. And straight to our beautiful little lavender. And about the ostriches, no news is good news. So we'll just leave it at that. Wow, it's just amazing how long pumpkin flowers, as part of the squash family, stay open compared to other plants. And the flowers are far more resilient. Yeah, well, the pumpkin's healing, so I mean it is getting nutrients, and it looks like it hasn't really grown in height. But the vine is still healthy, so it's still head, and of course the leaves are all dying off. Yeah, it's near the end. But it's going orange, so I guess we will get a tiny little cooking pumpkin. Now, I hope this wind isn't doing a number on the microphone. I haven't really had to record too much out in the wind. And we can see, by the way, our sunflower is weaving in the wind, swaying in the wind. It is a little windy. And our zucchini plant that gave us, I think, 3 or 4 zucchinis. Oh, look, it's trying to grow another one. That probably didn't get pollinated. I don't know if it's too late to pollinate it now. And I don't have any pollination flowers. Because none of them are growing out here. So I'd say no, that's not going to grow. And as a reminder, why we're only getting 1 pumpkin this year, because the other vine grew that little fellow there, but immediately got attacked by the critters. It's not like we don't give them other food to feed from. They have been feeding off that other sunflower. And this one here will soon be climbed on by the critters and fed from as well. And a morning glories. Ah, look. The discoloration is starting. As the plant starts to slowly come to its end as well. Just a massive growth this year. I see it hasn't climbed into the eaves trough, so that's good. I get up there every year and clear it off. Up there it doesn't cause any damage. You just don't want to let it wrap up there 2 years in a row. It's fine to leave it on your eaves trough. The plants are insidious. They will grow into cracks and start spreading stuff apart. Plants can do what even some hydraulics can't do if you give them enough time. And our other side, still growing wonderfully. All right, well, if you have stayed here all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. This has been another update on the growth of the garden. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.